On today's menu, an incredibly delicious and super easy to make vegan paella.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is one of my favorite recipes to make because it is so simple and it's absolutely delicious.
3 pieces garlic. 1 onion. 1/2 cup worth of finely chopped red pepper. 4 mushrooms chopped.
'These are delicious vegan sausages.
1.5 cups arborio rice. Rinse in cold water 2 to 3 times until the water becomes clear. Medium heat. Olive oil. Garlic and onions. Seasoned with salt and pepper. Sausage. Mushrooms. One tablespoon smoked paprika. Red peppers. 1.5 cups worth of chopped tomato. Rice. Seasoned with salt. Half cup frozen peas. 1 cup water.
This is Spanish saffron. Now there is a difference between American saffron, or also called safflower, which is not the same thing.
Lemon. Bring your paella to a boil. Stir to release any rice sticking to the bottom. Cook your paella for 20 minutes on medium-low, covered. Parsley.
You are not gonna believe your eyes. Whew, that is incredible.
You can now make this incredible one-pot meal with absolute confidence.
This is literally just calling my name. Looks absolutely amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Looks amazing. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't